Hey there, food lovers, welcome back to Marili TV. As you saw earlier, I remade the Jamaican jerk sauce. The original recipe, I'm gonna add the link in the description, but take a look because I'm gonna be making some flavorful jerk chicken wings. And this is gonna be spicy Jamaican jerk chicken wings. So let's get right to it. And it's this one, Maggi Season Up. This is really the only additional seasoning you'll need. That's a tablespoon right there. 2 tablespoons. So 3 tablespoons. Okay, there it is, guys. There it is. My recommendation for you is to make sure that you use gloves, right? This has a lot of pepper. And you do not want this to get in your eyes. Look at this. Start the oven, 400 degrees. Okay guys, while the oven is preheating, I'm gonna prep this so I could add the chicken wings. So this is really to catch the grease. It just makes it easier to clean up when I'm done. I'm gonna make sure the rack is greased. Not that I think it will stick, but it'll just make it easier. Okay guys, so the next thing that we're gonna do, another tablespoon of jerk sauce, and a tablespoon of honey, so it'll definitely change the color. So this is what we have here, guys, and I really don't need more than just a little more jerk sauce with